only one in the Western Cape. From the side, hit first into.
Hey National Motorsports and Zanzi family, hope you're all doing well. We are in Bo-Kaap for the Red Bull Box Kart race of 2022. It's so amazing to see that Cape Town has been chosen for this event, that Red Bull is investing in our city, and that we are able to host these type of events. I'm sure it's a very big boost to our economy, and it gives our people a chance to show their creativity and how fun we actually are. So I'm going to take a walk through Bo-Kaap and show you guys a bit of what's going on, carts that were created, and just how full this place is. If you are here today, you know what I'm talking about. There were cops everywhere. I'm lucky I'm on a motorcycle, found parking easily and was able to get in quite quickly. So I'm gonna make my way up to the course now so we can watch some racing, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Look! I don't have friends. I got family.
Now, that's of course right up at the start. Now they come down towards the first obstacle, which is the hump. They do it nicely. You can see a little bit of just veering off there. They're very fast, very, very fast. They just made it through the chicane. Look at this. See who's actually driving. Looks like from here, it looked like they had two steering wheels down towards Pothole. Through the bow. That was close. Through the Pothole. Round he goes, round the Pothole. The dreaded Pothole, probably the only one in the Western Cape. Looking good. Now we see as they're going towards cobblestone, enough to rattle the raindrops.
Put on your arms in the neck.
Towards Nadia at the finish.
It looks like one.
By your face like an unbox shoes. Things like that.
See the rapper.
Three-wheeler it is, controlling it nicely, lots of experience here. She's got speed. Whoa, lane. Beautiful. Beautiful, holding it nicely. You can see like a true Dakar champ. All the way down now. Through the Pothole, wow, easy, easy. Now let's have a look how's this young man done with Dakar. This will be a walk in the park. Watch Babinski coming down now. Let's hear the crowd. Cheer them on, cheer them on. They're going to need your help. He goes over the first obstacle down now towards the chicane. It's got bicycle wheels. So obviously they have a system that they Pothole, through the Pothole, through Pothole now, all the way towards Cobble. There we go, Formula One by nature in that red. Is it a Ferrari? Look at that fin in the back. It's all over the show, but they're coming down. They cope. Oh, he's got a wobble. He's got a wobble. How's he going to get through the chicane? He's very fast into the chicane. Goes around. Two of them. Gosh, they're brave. There we go. Oh, through the water trap. That's of course the. They're picking up the pieces.
Oh no!
Oh wow.
You see how they actually hit that wall from the side, hit first into the crash barrier. Fortunately,
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
car. And they come now, got them visual straight down towards the first obstacle, the bump. Over the bump they go, and they really went into the they've got a problem right at the top. Before they've even hit the chicane, they hit the wall. Just like we see when Max first stop and rides, this is Max Vertrappen. Max Vertrappen coming down very, very fast. It's got smoke on go, approaches the chicane very, very carefully. Round he goes, right beneath us here. He's having a Sunday drive. He doesn't need to make use of any DRS or any of the fancy tricks. Over he goes, through the pothole. Whoa! Whoa! He's the first casualty. Right, he comes out of his car. Looks like he kicks the wheel. He's angry. He's very angry. Front left wheel seems to be gone. Car standing there now, officials all around it. Are we going to see the virtual safety car? Is there going to be a virtual safety car? They carrying the car off. Car's badly broken, so not seeing what Verstappen is doing.
Hey everyone, so I have officially left the Red Bull box kart race of 2022 from Bo-Kaap. I had to leave and I couldn't film my outro there because it was so busy. There was just so much happening around me and I wasn't sure if everyone would be able to hear what I'm going to say. So I took a little ride on my way home. I am on Victoria Road going into Hout Bay. If you're on from Cape Town, this is the lovely views we get here besides our awesome events that we have. We have very scenic roads, lovely places to see and awesome people. So from wherever you're watching this, I hope that it does give you some motivation to come to Cape Town and see what we have to offer. So this is my take on the 2022 Red Bull box kart race. Number one, you have to get there very early. Parking is a nightmare. It is very difficult to find a spot. I didn't battle so much, I was on my motorcycle. So it was very easy for me to just find a spot and park, and off I went into the event. But if you are with a vehicle, you have to come very early. Finding a spot to watch the race is also very challenging because it is so full and everyone wants the spot with the most action. Spots do get taken up very easily. So my advice, if you do want to attend an event like this, do get there early. Make sure you're prepared to wait to get your spot. And once you get your spot, hold on to it because I swear you just move to tie your laces and your spot is gone. Number two, while I am complaining, or not complaining, while I am giving advice about parking and space, it's amazing to see so many locals come out to support and also take part to make an event like this a success. It's awesome that Red Bull has considered Cape Town to do something like this, and we hope it will continue into the future. I am going to speak to the National Motorsport Mzansi team and tell them that we need to enter the next one. I'd love to hear if anyone who spectated this year feels that they want to enter and build a car for next year, because we definitely want to. Not sure what you're going to do. I'm thinking because I'm Indian, I'll build a bunny chow. Something along those lines. I saw Poik yesterday, I saw Scooby-Doo Mystery Van, Dom Toretto, and Paul Walker's Supra. The people were so creative and it was just such a fun and energetic atmosphere. So it's really awesome. It was great to be there, but hopefully next year we will be in the event ourselves. Thirdly, the event was free. Now you know us as humans, we love free things, so it also could be why the event was packed. But even if they were to charge, I'm sure it would still be packed because it's just such an awesome atmosphere and something different. So yeah, it was free entry. Big ups to Red Bull for that. Big ups to the MCs, you really kept the event entertaining. I know Nadia Jafta was there Jason Goliath, he entered. He was super funny. They made their own song, and also there was another guy who was emceeing. He was super funny. I'm not sure what his name was, but big ups to the MCs. You really kept us entertained. And then another good thing was there were more than enough food vendors. There were your normal shops that are situated in Bo-Kaap that were open, and then there were also lots of street vendors. So it was great to see them getting the support from the people. You could smell boerewors rolls, you could smell awesome food as you walk through the event. So if you were hungry, there were more than enough stores set up, and they had it covered for food and drinks and anything else that you needed. So yeah, overall from us at National Motorsport in Mzansi, we were super happy with the event. Crowd control is always going to be a problem, and traffic control and that sort of thing. You know, we have limited spaces for events, but hopefully with each year that progresses, and when they do it again, they will see what was a weakness and improve on that. So my solution to that for now as a spectator is just come early, come prepared, and do your best to be a part of all the energy and excitement. We hope to see some of you enter next year. If you are entering, tell us what you plan to build if you are going to enter, and tell us about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for all your support. We really appreciate it. National Motorsport in Mzansi, over and out.